Hello, I'm Stephen Toronto, the Director of Training for MPI.
And hello, I'm Eric Estepenis, the General Counsel for the Massachusetts Chiefs of Police Association.
We're talking to you about MPI's monthly roll call training program. Roll call training delivers 15-minute sessions to keep police and public safety professionals current and sharp. We cover officer safety, new laws, emerging topics such as Bitcoin, cybercrimes, digital evidence, and drone use. These monthly sessions are driven by agency suggestions and backed by expert insights. Roll call training can be utilized in many different ways: during shift briefings, put on a training platform, or combined with agency policies and procedures training. This is a useful and practical training tool that assists officers in their duties.
Look, the reality is command staff can't be in every cruiser, on every call, or at every split-second decision point, but you can decide what training your officers receive, and that decision matters. From a legal perspective, one of the most effective ways to reduce liability is simple: consistent, high-quality, defensible training. That's what MPI's roll call program delivers. These brief, targeted videos equip officers with the legal clarity they need in the field. Not just theory, but real-world application. It's training that's accessible, practical, and grounded in what courts are saying right now. And when something goes wrong, when a policy is challenged, or when officers' conduct is under review, one of the first questions asked is, what did the department do to prepare them? You can't eliminate all risk, but you can take steps to show that your agency is not indifferent, that you're providing timely, relevant training on the legal issues that matter. Roll call training helps you do just that. It strengthens your legal position, supports your officers, and reinforces your department's commitment to professionalism. It's fast, it's affordable, and in today's legal landscape, it's one of the smartest decisions a leader can make.
Thank you, Eric. All great points. Interested agencies can contact Dawn at mpitraining.com for a trial subscription. Agency subscriptions also include the entire library of past programs.
Thanks for watching.